Hello everyone, this is Janine for Jabber JJ channel, and for today we're going to do an unboxing video from Awok. I've ordered these items last June 12. And they arrive, I think, 2 or 3 days after. Actually, mabilis siyang dumating ngayon. And, hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. Pero yung plastic niya, bukas na. I think, hindi. Bukas lang kasi hindi nila mapagkasya. So, okay. Open. So, first item here is the mini sewing machine. I've got this one for only 3 dirhams. Actually, ang original price niya ata is around 30 or 40 dirhams. Pero naka-promo siya that day. So, 3 dirhams. Let's see. Ito mabuksan. Ayun. Ang cute! Ayun. Ayun. Yeah. Oh, disaksak pala siya. Ay, may mini pedal pa. Yan. So, 3 dirhams for that one. And then, ay, marami pala siya. Scotch 3M mounting tape. Yan. Ito ay, I think magkano ba ito? Check natin. So, this one comes for 6 dirhams. 3M yung brand niya. Sana madikit. Then, another mounting tape. Another mounting tape, and this is for 5 dirhams. Mas manipis ng konti. Yeah. So, the fourth item is this Brisejet faucet. Ano ba to? Nilalagay siya sa faucet para daw mas maka-save ng water. Let's see kung effective siya. So, may instructions din siya sa likod. Ikakabit lang sa mismong faucet. Tapos, magiging parang spray. Then, the hand blender. Generic brand lang siya. Nutritional factors. Yeah. For 39 dirhams. 300 watts. 300 watts. As seen on TV. And it's black. Detachable yung pinaka blender niya. And then it comes with a jar. 600 ml jar. And what's this? Oh! Generic brand of Puff Professional Silicone Makeup Blender. This one, I think it's 4 dirhams. Yeah. Oh no. This one is 5 dirhams. 5 dirhams. Yes. Yeah. Lambot, nakakatuwa. Oh, sorry sa nail polish. And then, what else? Ay, Diyos ko. 4 dirhams na to. Kala ko isang pack. 4 dirhams. 1 piece lang pala siya. LED ice cube. Paano kaya ito gumagana? May battery pa. Hindi kaya makuryente yung paano siya? Paano siya na-on? Ayaw ba makasya? And then, for the last item, this is a set of 12 crystal clay for 15 dirhams. Yung first na nakuha ko, 6 pieces lang sana siya, pero 9 dirhams. So, dapat na order ko is 2 sets, which will be 18 dirhams. Pero nakita ko to, set of 12 na, and then 15. So, nakasave na ng 3 dirhams. Nakakatuwa kasi nung nakita ko, transparent siya. Yan. Para lang siyang goo. So, for ito, tatabi ko muna, pero tatry ka rin buksan. And other details will be on the next part of the video. So, for now, all these items, I think I have 8 items all in all, and the total is 107 dirhams plus delivery price of 18. Well, actually 18 siya divided by 2 dahil 9 dirhams for the processing fee of payment, and then another 9 dirhams for the delivery.
Meron ng free na sinulong. Ay, mag-focus. Meron na pala maliit na. Pwede siyang di-battery. And yung pedal. Tapos pwede rin siyang disaksak. I think. Let's try this one out. Ano ba ito? Switch. Ano siyang switch? Ayan. On and off. Tapos sa ilaw. And onto this H and high and low. Hindi ako marunong manahe, so medyo okay naman. Ayan lang. Meron siyang butas dito para sa pag-plug. Ito yung sa foot pedal and yung para sa charger niya. Yan.
For this double-sided tape, hindi na kailangan ng review dahil usually yung mga ganitong brands is matibay talaga. Pero last time gumamit ako ng isa. So 4 pieces siya. Dalawang layer to. Yan, 2 layer. So 4 na strips. Matibay naman.
Ito yung nakababa yung tawag dito. Dinagel ng faucet, and pag tinaas, mas buo yung water niya.
So we're going to make pumpkin soup with this.
gets na niya yun. Pero,
Bongga!
Ang cute ng color. May glitters pa. Ang lambot, parang jelly. Ito siya dating form, so lambot. Hindi siya basa. Mukha lang siyang basa. Pero super pliable. Malleable. And pindotable. Pindot. Cute.
So that's it for today. I will share with you the other details on the description box below, and then how can you order with Awok. But actually, hindi ito yung first time na order kami. We already ordered a couple of times before, and so far I think 80 or 85% ng mga orders is okay naman. So yun. See you on the next video. Bye!